So first let's open this scratch painting. So this is the scratch painting.
Scratch painting? Wow. Hey, let's open it, open it.
So let's open this one. Comes with some stencils. That's really cool. Oh yeah, some stencils. So these are the stencils. So this is one each. Oh, it's really fun. Yeah, for kids activity this is really fun. I love it. It's so good. I'm trying another one. So yeah, the kids will enjoy this one. Yeah, so let's do a So yeah, this way you can use all these papers and these sticks to make diagrams. Yeah, this is really cool and the kids will really enjoy it. This is really colorful and fun activity for the kids. So let's open this one, the rainbow scratch notebooks. So let's see the rainbow scratch notebooks. Comes with the happy. Yeah. So these are the stencils, wooden sticks to use the stencils. And comes with two notebooks. These are the two notebooks. You can see, so we can use one. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I can see the fact. It looks cool and your kids will enjoy this one, and I really like this one. You can write also. To engage your kids, these are really cool things for your kids, and they'll learn a lot of things, and also they will enjoy this a lot. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.